Karnataka Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai on Monday urged politicians of Maharashtra not to use language bogey or border issue for their political survival, as he made it clear that the state will not give even an inch of its land to the neighbouring state. Noting that several Kannada-speaking areas were in Maharashtra, he said the thinking is on about incorporating them into Karnataka. He was responding to Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's statement on Sunday that said they would continue to support the fight of Marathi-speaking people residing in border areas of neighbouring Karnataka to include those places in Maharashtra. Speaking to reporters, Bommai said, Karnataka's stand on the border issue is very clear and the state is not going to yield for anything. We stand firmly by our decisions. They also know it. I strongly urge the politicians of Maharashtra not to use language bogey or border issues for their political survival, Bommai said, adding that there is no question of giving even an inch of Karnataka's land.